Hello, let's talk about software failures. A failure is a term used to describe an issue with a computer or a device that prevents it from functioning properly. When this happens with the software, it may be referred to as a software failure. The software can be regarded as a failure if it is not functioning the way it was designed, incomplete design, not delivering what it was planned for, is redundant, old, complex, over budget, and many more reasons. Software failure can mean interruption or total shutdown of services. It can lead to data loss, monetary loss, and in some cases, loss of life. Relying on a software to do the job for you can be risky, especially when the process of building the software, testing, debugging, and design is flawed and you do not know about that. One such example is the London ambulance system. It was designed in a very complex manner and did not work when required, resulting in the deaths of people in need of ambulance service. Some patients received two or more ambulances, while others fought for their life waiting for even one to arrive. Studies conducted by Standish Group found only 32% of all projects succeed by delivering on time, on budget, and with full functionalities. 44% of the software projects were late, over budget, and less features and functionalities were delivered, whereas 24% failed and were cancelled prior to the completion and or delivered and were never used. The IT managers are hired to be strategic. Rather, they spend most of the time dealing with operational issues. Their function is seen as an enabler, yet they're expected to be a business driver. As a manager, one needs to understand when and how a software might fail. It is crucial to differentiate how each organization industry defines failure, said Thomas Murphy, the senior director analyst at Gartner, in a recent article published by Tech Republic website. The software engineering field, thankfully, has a long history of classifying software failure causes. Understanding them is paramount for fault injection, focused testing efforts, and reliability predictions. Thanks to studies like these, IT managers have a better understanding of how to avoid software failures. Over the years, the software development has shifted from a rigid waterfall model to a flexible agile methodology. It breaks down a big project into cycles of productions and keeps everyone on the same page. Following the steps can be the difference between win and a fail. Meeting the stakeholders is important. Clear and concise coding helps maintain the code in better format. Reviewing the code helps to remove bugs. It's also a good idea to test, and test again to see if the functions are properly working. These are some of the primary factors that appear on the big screen and can be tackled with using careful strategy. The secondary factors, however, are a bit more challenging and are easy to miss. Factors such as making the project part of the strategic plan, executive sponsorship, poor technology evaluation, no customer involvement, scope creep, rolling out at the wrong time, unlimited training. All of these can result in a software failure. But once all these factors are reviewed and looked after, an IT manager can rest assured that the software failure won't be a part of their organization. Thank you.